If your money goals keep failing, it's probably not your fault. Most people were never taught how to set goals the right way. Today, I'll show you how to set financial goals that stick using a proven formula from Wealth Navigator. Hit subscribe and let's dive in. Step 1. Why your goals fail. Here's the truth. Vague goals don't work. Saying I want to save money isn't a goal, it's a wish. Without clear targets and deadlines, your brain has nothing to aim for, and you lose motivation fast. Step 2. The SMART goal method. The SMART framework turns wishful thinking into real progress. Specific. Be clear on exactly what you want. Measurable. Track your progress with numbers. Achievable. Make it realistic for your situation. Relevant. Align it with your bigger life goals. Time-bound. Set a deadline to create urgency. Here's an example. I will save $500 in the next 60 days by cutting dining out and transferring $60 a week into my savings account. Okay, so step 3 is to visualize your success. Visualization isn't just a feel-good trick, it's actually proven to boost performance. Picture yourself achieving your goal. What does it feel like? And, what changes in your life once it's done? Your brain starts believing it's possible and acts accordingly. Step 4. Prioritize and break it down. If you set 10 goals at once, you'll overwhelm yourself. Pick the top 1 to 3 goals with the biggest impact on your life. Then break each into small, actionable steps. Big results come from small, consistent wins. Step 5. Review and adjust. Life changes, and so should your goals. So, check your progress weekly or monthly. And hey, if you're off track, just adjust your plan instead of quitting. Flexibility really keeps you in the game. The difference between dreamers and achievers, it's really all about having a clear, actionable plan. So hey, drop a comment below and let us know. What's your #1 money goal for this year? And don't forget to subscribe for more wealth-building videos every single week. If you want to dive even deeper, you can get the full Wealth Navigator guide. Just tap the link in the description. Remember, your financial future really starts with the goals you set today, so let's make them count.